Welcome to Expeds. My name's Arron and this is the Kingfisher Overlander. So I'm just in the Highlands of Scotland testing our first Overlander. And I've got to say, so far it's been pretty damn good. So the Overlander is based on a VW Beetle standard chassis. We're using air-cooled engines. Standard suspension, nothing special really. This is the first of 3 Overlanders that we're building, and we're building them to run trips in. Obviously all that is dependent on what's going on at the minute. Yeah, all being well, we'll be able to we'll be up and running come 2021. We've developed this vehicle for the last 3 years with Kingfisher Kustoms, who have a wealth of experience behind them when it comes to designing custom built vehicles. They also specialise in air-cooled engines. A couple of main reasons why we're using air-cooled engines is that they're easy to maintain, you can get at them, and also that there's so many VW spare parts knocking all over the world that should enable us, if we get stuck, we should be able to find spare parts no matter where we actually are. Okay, we're going to have a support vehicle full of spare parts anyway, but just for that sort of peace of mind and backup is sort of a sensible option. Oh my god. Overtaking on a blind corner on a hill. Man. The Overlander just enables you to connect with the environment on so many levels. Not only the elements, whether it's holding it down with rain, blazing sun, but it also enables you to connect with the environments that you're travelling through, the cultures, the local villages. Just such an interesting way of travelling. Unusual looking vehicle. You've got all your kit strapped to it. You can stop anywhere you want. And it's just a fantastic machine to drive as well. Yeah, we're in for a bit of wetness, I think. Messed up my hair already. It actually handles surprisingly well in the wet. It handles the corners perfectly. You can really sort of throw yourself into them, and it just bites. Absolutely pissed it down earlier on. Got a little bit wet. We are looking at putting a roof/rack on the Overland, as well as my canvas doors, just so you're protected from the elements somewhat. I think when we've got those, it will be an all-weather sort of vehicle. I mean, at the minute, all right, it's probably only like myself that are taking it out in the pissing rain, but it's manageable. We've called the vehicle the Overlander for a number of reasons. Firstly, the principle of overlanding is being self-sufficient, no matter where you are. And with the side bins, the storage facilities on the Overlander, you can be self-sufficient. With the right wheels and suspension, you can literally take this thing pretty much anywhere. Okay, you're not looking at doing river crossings, but there aren't many places that you can't take this vehicle. The departure angle is ridiculous. The height is equally as ridiculous. And like I said, with the right wheels and tyres and suspension, you can literally go anywhere. So I'm just travelling through the Cairngorms at the minute, and the weather is absolutely unbelievable. Shame it wasn't like this to begin with, but then again, when I know what the Overlander's capabilities are when living out of it in the pissing rain. If you'd like to get your hands on an Overlander, there's a number of ways you can do that. You can order a full build from the workshop, or if you're mechanically minded and want to have a crack at building one yourself, visit kingfisheroverland.com. You find all the information on there that you need. So if you'd like to join us on our journey, please like us on Facebook and Instagram. Follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. We're going to be pushing out content a little bit more regularly now. Links can all be found in the description below. Hopefully we'll get some of you out soon. Yeah, me? Huh?